Another unboxing video, let's go! This is the Maximus-004 Mini Tabletop Dishwasher. With 2-place settings, built-in water heater and water softener. So first, install the water inlet and drain hose, and then you have an option to use the 5-liter refillable tank. It also has push-button functions, and it came with detergent and dishwasher salt. So let's set it up. Load it with dishwasher salt. Add your dirty dishes. Then add the detergent. You can opt to use the refillable tank or connect directly to a water supply. Let's try the Eco mode. Press start and let it clean. After the cycle, your dishes will come out squeaky clean. This is on sale now at thegreatest.ph. What do you guys think?